Hi and welcome back. Can you guess what we're going to be unboxing today? Well, stick around and we'll find out. Today we have this Airtag wallet. I like this wallet because it has a very simple design. It has 8 credit card slots, 2 ID windows, and 2 separate compartments for your dollar bills. This right here is where the Airtag will go. As you can see, you can insert it right here. I'm not sure if this is real leather, but it has a very nice smooth feel to it. This wallet also has RFID blocking to keep your card safe. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.